definitely. So I'm originally from Sweden, but for the past couple of years I've been living in Singapore, working for Twitter, Switzerland, working for Procter & Gamble, and now latest I went to Oxford University for my MBA. When I went to Oxford, I met my co-founder Sherry, and we decided to make something happen together with both finance and technology, and especially insurance, because we feel that it's an industry that needs to innovate, that needs to come into the 21st century. So together we've been building digital fineprint. Purpose is to turn social data into insurance data. We leave a lot of data behind online that could be useful when you apply for insurance, when you send a quote, when you want to do any management of your insurance policy, but that data is not sufficiently used by insurance companies today. So we're building a system where a user, if they want to, can share the data with the insurance company to fill out forms quicker, get a better policy, get a better rate, and make it easier to go through the customer journey online. Because of Allianz's big brand name and being a world leader in insurance, they're also very supportive and very founder-friendly. So they give us a lot of support, mentorship, the resources that we need to build and scale our product across the globe. We haven't found any other accelerator that is so helpful to founders for an early stage startup as we are. We're super happy that we got accepted, and now we're going to be working for the next 5 months to build something amazing together with Allianz. First, we are an insurance-focused startup, so it's perfectly in line to what we want to do. But also, it's very hard for a new startup to come up and get to big scale quickly, unless you have the backing of a major insurer behind you. Since we are now lucky enough to have the backing of Allianz, both for the brand name and for the big reach and for the data sources that we can access through them, we're in a much stronger place to compete. I think it's going to happen in two ways. First, we're going to move away from only life insurance, which we've focused on so far, into a broader scope of products. We're looking to do something around car insurance, to fill out forms faster, get a better rate, but also things around pensions and broader financial products, as well as other insurance forms. Secondly, we want to go international. We're initially based in the UK. This morning we found out that the UK is no longer in the EU, so we might have to go international faster than we were planning to. We're now happy to be in France. It's a great growing market for us. We are also invited to go to Germany and see what we can do with Allianz there. And since my co-founder is from Hong Kong, we're also looking towards Asia and try to see what we can do. One of our advisors on our advisory board is also an accomplished entrepreneur in the US who has built and sold 2 insurance companies in the US market, and he wants us to pivot towards the US market as well. So both more products and in more markets in the world.